Students, in AMP we have discussed the interfacing of various peripheral IC, and in this sequence we are discussing here the interfacing with ADC 0808 or 0809 IC with microprocessor. And the analog to ADC 0808 IC is the analog to digital converter IC, and it is 8-bit CMOS successive approximation converters. एंड सक्सेसिव अप्रॉक्सीमेशन टेक्निक ये एक फास्टेस्ट टेक्निक्स में से एक है विच फॉर एनालॉग टू डिजिटल कन्वर्शन, एंड कन्वर्शन डिले इज़ 100 माइक्रोसेकेंड्स एट अ क्लॉक फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ 640 किलोहर्ट्ज़ विच इज़ compared to a low rate. And these converter, they do not need very extremely zero or full scale adjustment, so we can discuss these ADCs for the interfacing purpose, basic interfacing purpose. So this is the analog inputs selected. A to D converter, analog to digital converter, you have already studied, and these converters have 3:8 analog multiplexers, so that at a time 8 different analog inputs can be converted, can be connected to the chips, and out of these 8 inputs only one can be selected at the conversion by using the address lines address A double D line A double D B and A double D C, and using these address inputs multi-channel data acquisition system can be designed by using only a single IC of ADC. In case of single input application, there may be hardware to select the proper input, but in case of multiple number of input selection, then the multi-channel applications can be used. Now analog input selected is input 0 से लेके input 7 can be selected on the address line A, B and C. The configuration of the address lines is 000 for input A selection, 001 for input 1 selection, 010 for input 2 line selection, 111 for input 7 line selection. So these are all the unipolar analog to digital converter, and they are able to convert only positive analog input voltages to their digital equivalents, and the chip do not contain any internal sample and hold circuit. It needs externally a sample and hold circuit for the conversion of the faster signal into equivalent digital quantities. And this is the diagram which show the block diagram and pin diagram of ADC 0808. This is our block diagram. See here, यहाँ पे 8 channel analog multiplexer is there. Total 8 inputs are there, which is selected from 3 lines A, B, C, whose table we have seen just now. And then the successive approximation method is used for conversion, analog to digital conversion. This is op-amp, and there are the signals SOC and clock, start of conversion and the clock, and this is the end of the signal conversion, and this block is control and timing unit and successive approximation register SAR. Now 256 are register ladder and switch tree. इसमें V reference plus and minus voltages are given, and output latch is having 8-bit output, digital output, which is converted. Its pin out is this is the pin diagram of ADC 0808. Both ICs are similar, and these are the analog inputs. Main pins, if we discuss analog inputs IP0 से लेके IP7 तक. Then address lines for selecting analog inputs ABC, A double D. These are the lines A double D A, A double D B, address line A double D C, and start of conversion signal. Pin number 6 is the SOC, start of conversion, and pin number 7 is end of conversion signal. output latch enable pin is there, which is a clock input for ADC is given. Supply pins is +5 and ground pin is the reference, and the reference voltage V reference plus and V reference minus. This is pin number 12 is V reference plus and pin number 16 is V reference minus. This is plus 5 volts maximum and negative voltage V रेफरेंस माइनस इज़ 0 वोल्ट्स मिनिमम. एंड इसकी कुछ इलेक्ट्रिकल स्पेसिफिकेशंस भी हैं जो कि उनको प्रोग्रामिंग में यूज़ करने होंगे. द इलेक्ट्रिकल स्पेसिफिकेशंस इज आर, this is the minimum SOC pulse width is 100 nanosecond, minimum ALE pulse width is 100 nanosecond, then clock frequency is 10 to 1 to 80 kilohertz, conversion time 100 millisecond at 640 kilohertz, resolution is 8 bits, error allowed is plus minus 1 LSB, V reference is it should not be greater than plus 5 and minus V reference minus should not be less than ground, means negative value nahi. Plus VCC supply is 5 volts DC plus 5 volts DC. Logic 1 input voltage, it ranges from VCC minimum VCC minus 1.5 volts, and logical 0 input voltage maximum 1.5 volts can be there. Logical 1 output is VCC minus VCC, maximum is VCC minus 0.04. This is the range of the लॉजिकल 1 इनपुट वैल्यू. यदि 0.4 वोल्ट से नीचे जाएगा तो वो 1 लॉजिकल वैल्यू नहीं मानेगा. लॉजिकल 0 आउटपुट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज़ 0.45. सो दीज आर द डेटा शीट डिटेल्स of the analog to digital converter IC, and we can consider some interfacing examples for this chip, and so that the working of ADCs will be clear. So in the next class we will be taking its interfacing numerical.